In this video, I'll quickly walk you through how to perform a regression analysis in SPSS using your dependent and independent variable or variables. So quickly to do this, while on your SPSS, we're going to click on Analysis, scroll down to Regression, and then select Linear. Now, when this pops up, here is where we place our dependent variable, and here we place our independent variable or variables. So I'm going to go ahead, look for my dependent variable, and use the arrow to push it to the dependent. I'll look for my independent variable and push it to the independent, and you can have many variables for the independent. Click on Statistics, and here we will select Descriptive. After that, we'll click on Continue. The next thing is Plots. We'll click on that, and here we will not select anything unless you want plots. And then the options, it's also okay, so continue. After this, we click OK. And here you have it. This is the results, and the most important thing to focus on here is the model summary, ANOVA, and the coefficients. So we have come to the end of the video. Guys, I have this product on Aliexpress that I'm affiliate to the shop. So if you like to purchase this, I'll leave a link in the description.